Now again we are going to start the new session, session 6, basic calculation. The topic is going on the basic calculation, and the new topic is a multiplication. So this is a basic calculation. So today we'll learn about multiplication, how we can multiply the value and how we can multiply the data in an Excel sheet, right? We'll discuss. Okay, so this is a very simple concept. Apply the multiplication on the value. The same process already we have done in Excel sheet. How we can add, how we can solve addition, subtraction, right? So the both the things is the same as it is. We can apply the multiplication. Suppose that we have a sum value, and after that we can apply a multiplication on the given value, so we can perform the sum operation, right? So how we can apply the multiplication on the value. Now we see in a practical section, we can see in the practical section, now we have a name of the list as a item. Okay, so suppose that the first item is pens. So pens, pen amount is a one pen is rupees 25, and I want to take 10 pieces. How we'll do the calculation, we'll discuss it in this. And suppose that a pencil, the pencil is a box, suppose that 30 rupees, and the pieces, we can say pieces or boxes, we can calculate as a 10. Next the box, so box is a 25 rupees. The next page we can say like pieces is a 5. Notebook, like suppose that amount is 50, and I want to take a pieces, so I want to take 5 pieces. And back, suppose that amount is 250, I want to take 2. And now we are going to use the multiplications, because we all know multiplication, that means the multiply the 2 digits will get a maximum value of the, right? So now we are going to multiply the value and we'll get the total of actual amount of this pens. So first of all, we'll use equal sign, and the amount of the pen is 25. So we'll click on that 25 rupees and press the multiplication symbol, and then pieces of amount. So the first piece, we need a 10, there is a 10 piece, and amount of the one piece is 25. And now see the formula in the E3 cell. This is a equal C3 multiply D3. If we press the enter key, now we can see the actual amount of the pens, 10 pens, and the one pens will be 25. So we need to pay 25 rupees. Okay, the same process here also. We will place the equal sign, pencil amount, multiply pieces, enter, equal amount, multiply pieces, enter. Same process, notebook, multiply amount, press enter key, and the last is a equal sign, amount of the bag is 250, multiply, and the bag's pieces, 2 pieces, press enter key. Okay, so now we can see in the total we got the actual, all the total value according to the pieces. Okay, and it's very simple. If we want to calculate the total of the total amount, so we'll select the data, and in the editing group there is a auto sum option, that is sum. So we'll click the total, so we can get a total of the actual amount. So this is a process to calculate the multiplication of each value. And the next one more option you have. I want to use only one time the formula. Okay, and after that I'll drag it, mouse pointer, move the mouse pointer on the small rectangle below of this cell, then the mouse pointer change into the plus sign, and left button press from the mouse and drag it. Now we can see we got the total of the values. Okay, so this is also the method. Using the multiplication we can do calculation. right? That's it.